Hey guys, I'm Akash and welcome to Pabbly. So the topic for today's video is how to use WhatsApp for marketing of your astrology business. Now suppose guys you are an astrologer, you are into astrology business, and to market your business you have created a Facebook page, or on that particular page you are running some kind of Facebook lead ads. Now you want that every time you generate a new lead from this Facebook lead ads, you want to send those leads a WhatsApp message with the details of your business. Now you can do this to market your business, to make a personal touch with all of your leads and to convert them into your sales. But guys, the manual process of getting the details of every new lead from Facebook lead ads and manually composing a WhatsApp message and sending them can be a very repetitive and time consuming process. So in this video, I came up with an awesome automation by which whenever a new lead will be generated in Facebook lead ads, instantly, automatically, a WhatsApp message will be sent to that very same lead, newly generated lead. Interesting, right? Now here you must be thinking how we are going to do this. So to make this happen, we will be using Pabbly Connect, which is an automation and integration software. Now what is the actual step-by-step guide to set up this automation and how you can create this automation by yourself? To know this, you have to come with me to my screen.
So as you can see, here we are on the Pabbly Connect dashboard. Now to reach this dashboard, you just have to go to your browser and search for Pabbly, pabbly.com/connect. And after reaching to the landing page of Pabbly Connect, by clicking on sign up free, you can create your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes. Or if you already have an account, just click on sign in. So after reaching this dashboard, click on create workflow and give this workflow a name. For example, I would like to name my workflow as Facebook lead ads to WhatsApp and click on create. Now we can see that our workflow is open over here. And in this workflow, we have two different windows. First one is trigger window, second one is action window. So triggers and actions are basically those two concepts, those two principles on which this whole automation works on, where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So let's begin with our trigger window. So the idea here is, first we have to get the details or the data of new lead generating on our Facebook lead ads account or the new Facebook lead ads campaign in Pabbly Connect. After getting the details of the new lead, we have to send that very same details, very same data to WhatsApp Cloud API so that we can send a WhatsApp message to that very same person and market our business. So guys, after selecting our trigger event, here in choose app, we have to search for Facebook lead ads. Facebook lead ads it is. And after that, in trigger event, we have to select new lead instant. Click on connect, select add new connection. Now guys, here we have to connect our Facebook lead ads account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, just click on this connect with Facebook lead ads button. And guys, because I have already logged into my Facebook account in my browser, we can see that our Facebook lead ads account is now successfully connected with Pabbly Connect. After making this connection, the first thing it asks us is page. So in the drop down below, you can see a list of all the pages which I have created in my Facebook lead ad account can be seen over here. So the page which I have created to market my astrology business is named as this, Astrology Services. We will select this very same page over here in Pabbly Connect. Astrology Services, the very same page. And after selecting the page, it is asking us lead generation form. So I have created only one lead generation form named as Astrology Brochure Final, this form in my Facebook lead ads campaign. So we will select this very same form. After that, the page access token is automatically detected, so we don't have to make any changes over here. Just click on the save and send text request button. And after that, we can see that it is showing us waiting for webhook response, which means guys, Pabbly Connect is waiting to get the details or the data of new lead from our Facebook lead ads account or Facebook lead ads campaign to receive or collect on Pabbly Connect. Now what we are going to do, we are going to generate a test lead, a dummy lead on this Facebook lead ad lead generation form. How we are going to do this? Now to do so, we will be using Facebook lead ads testing tool. So we have a separate dedicated video on how you can access your Facebook lead ad testing tool. It's free and the link of that video is available in the description box below. So after reaching to this lead ad testing tool, here all you have to do is just select the Facebook page, and after selecting the Facebook page, just select the form on which you have to generate a test lead. We have selected this very same page and form in Pabbly Connect, and we have selected the same over here. After that, just click on this preview form button. And here in this form, we have to enter the details or the data of a dummy lead. For example, a dummy name. For example, the first thing we'll enter is a dummy email address. After that, a dummy name. And then it is asking us for the phone number. So the phone number, the lead which will be entering in this Facebook lead ad form, on the very same phone number, we will send a WhatsApp message with our business details. So just click on next and click on submit. And just now we can see that we have generated a test lead in our Facebook lead ads account. After generating the test lead, because we have connected our Facebook lead ads account with Pabbly Connect, we will see that the details or the data of this newly generated lead, a test lead, will be captured inside Pabbly Connect. So let's check this. We'll go to a Pabbly Connect workflow. And yes guys, we can see that here in Pabbly Connect trigger window, we have received some response. And in this response, we will find the details of that very same test lead whose details we have just now entered in our Facebook lead ad testing tool form. So this is the very same email address of the lead which we have entered, the very same name and very same mobile number as well. So guys, the step 1 of setting up this automation is now completed. We have successfully connected our Facebook lead ads account with Pabbly Connect and received the response or the data of test lead from Facebook lead ads in Pabbly Connect. Now after that, we have to send this very same data of a new lead to WhatsApp Cloud API, so that using WhatsApp Cloud API, we can instantly send the WhatsApp message as this lead is generated. Now to do so, we will just scroll down and come to our action window. And here in choose app, we have to search for WhatsApp Cloud API. WhatsApp Cloud API it is, just select it. And after that, in action event from the drop down, select send template message. Click on connect and select add new connection. Now here guys, we have to connect our WhatsApp Cloud API account to send the WhatsApp message. So now I have already created my own WhatsApp Cloud API account. So I have the access to the details which are required to make the connection, like token, phone number ID and WhatsApp business account ID. If you haven't created your own WhatsApp Cloud API account yet, we have a separate dedicated video on that too, on how you can set up your own WhatsApp Cloud API account. And the link of that video will be in the description box below. So I'll suggest you that you can refer to that video and set up your WhatsApp Cloud API account. And guys, after setting up your account, you will reach to this app dashboard page of WhatsApp Cloud API. At this very same page, you will find all the details which are required to make the connection, like the temporary access token, the phone number ID and WhatsApp business account ID. The same 3 details which are asked by Pabbly Connect to make the connection. So just copy this phone number ID from here, go to Pabbly Connect and paste it over here. After that, copy the WhatsApp business account ID, go to Pabbly Connect and paste it as well. Then it is asking us for the token, and the help text below it says enter system user generated permanent token as explained here. So here we have a hyperlink. So guys, the token which we get on this app dashboard page is a temporary access token, which means this token will expire every 24 hours. But guys, don't worry, there is a way by which you can generate a permanent access token which will never expire. So now to do so, just go to the Pabbly Connect, and here in this connection window, you can see in the help text, there is a hyperlink. Just click on this hyperlink, and in a new tab, you will reach to a page on our forum. And at this very same page, you will find all the details regarding WhatsApp Cloud API, on how you can create your own WhatsApp Cloud API token or how you can generate a permanent access token. So you can refer to this very same page to get the details. And after generating your permanent access token, just enter it over here and click on save to make the connection. I have already made the connection, so I'll click on select existing connection and click on save. Now guys, after making the connection, the first thing it asks us is template name. Now here you must be thinking, what are these templates? So templates are basically some predefined WhatsApp messages which we have created in WhatsApp Cloud API and which we want to send to our newly generated Facebook leads. Now guys, to send the WhatsApp messages to our Facebook leads using WhatsApp Cloud API, first we have to create a template message of the message which we want to send in WhatsApp Cloud API, and after that we have to get that template approved from Facebook, or should I say Meta. And after the approval, we can send the WhatsApp message using that template. So in the drop down below template name, you can see a list of all the templates which I have already created in my Cloud API account can be seen over here. So to create your own template, just go to the app dashboard page over here, scroll down and come to this step 2. and at last you will find a hyperlink. Just click on it and it will take you to the message template page of WhatsApp Cloud API. And at this very same page, you will find all the templates which we have created in our Cloud API account can be seen over here. If you want to create a new template, just click on this create message template button and you can create a WhatsApp message template of your choice. And we have a separate dedicated video on how you can create your complete WhatsApp message template as well as what are the features they offer. And the link of that video will be in the description box below. So guys, the template which we are going to use in this video is named as new lead signup. Let's search for that template. New lead sign up. So this is the template. Okay guys, so this is the kind of WhatsApp message which I want to send to every new lead generated from my Facebook lead ads for my astrology business. So in this message, you can see that after hi, we have the name of the person, name of the newly generated lead. So here in body section, you will find after hi, I have added a number in double curly braces. So you must be thinking, what is this number? So this number is basically a body field, a variable, basically a dynamic text. So after hi, I wanted to mention the name of the newly generated lead. Now guys, the name of the lead will we keep on changing for every new lead and every new WhatsApp message, which means the name of the person, name of the lead is a dynamic text. So to add these kind of dynamic text in our WhatsApp message, we add these kind of variables and body fields. We add number between double curly braces. So here we have body field 1 first dynamic text, and here we have body field 2. So here this says welcome to, and here at place of body field 2, I wanted to add the name of my organization. For example, Astrology Services. Welcome to Astrology Services. We are so lucky to have you as a precious user. You will be among the first to hear about new arrivals, big events and special offers. So this is the kind of message which I want to send. New lead sign up. Now we will select this very same template in WhatsApp Pabbly Connect workflow. So we will search for new lead sign up. This is the template. Now after selecting the template, the language code and template ID are basically automatically detected. We don't have to make any changes over here. And then it asks us recipient mobile number. So in place of recipient mobile number, we have to mention the WhatsApp number of the newly generated Facebook lead on which we are going to send the WhatsApp message. Now we have received the WhatsApp number from Facebook lead ads response of newly generated lead in Pabbly Connect workflow. And from here, we will map this very same number over here in this recipient mobile number field. So the process of mapping guys is very simple. Simply click on this field and from the drop down, we can see all the responses which we have received from Facebook lead ads can be seen over here. And out of all these responses, select the response of phone number and map it. Then it is asking us body field 1. So in place of body field 1, we wanted to map or add the name of the newly generated lead. So we will use the same process of mapping. We'll click on this field and from the drop down, we can see all the responses received from Facebook lead ad. And out of all these responses, select the response of new lead over here and map it. And at last, it is asking us body field 2. So in place of body field 2 in our template, we wanted to add the name of our organization or our business name. So I'll add my business name, Astrology Service. And basically after adding all these details, just click on save and send test request. So after clicking on save and send test request, we can see that we have received a response over here. And this response seems to be a very positive response to us. This response shows that a WhatsApp message with our selected template is now sent on this particular number, which we have entered on our Facebook lead ad form. Means the number which was entered by our new Facebook lead in our lead ad form will receive a WhatsApp message instantly. So let's check the WhatsApp account. So let's go to WhatsApp. And yes guys, we can see that we have successfully received the WhatsApp message which says hi dummy name, means the name of the very same name which the new lead has entered in our lead ad form. Thanks for signing up. Welcome to Astrology Services. We have our body field 2 variable 2 as our business name. We are so lucky to have you as a precious user. You will be among the first to hear about new arrivals, big events and special offers. If you need any support, don't hesitate to reach out with questions. We would love to hear from you. Regards. So guys, here we can see that we have successfully received the WhatsApp message on the very same number which we have added in our Facebook lead ad form, which means the automation which we have created in this video is working perfectly fine. Now every time a new lead will be generated from our Facebook lead ads, automatically, instantly using this automation, we will send a WhatsApp message to the number of that very same newly generated leads. So guys, here let's understand in brief that what are the steps we followed while setting up this automation. So first, we have created a workflow inside Pabbly Connect, and in this workflow, we have created in trigger window, we have selected Facebook lead ads, and new lead was our trigger event. Then after that, we have connected our Facebook lead ads account with Pabbly Connect, and after making the connection, using Facebook lead ad testing tool, we have generated a test lead and received the response or the data of that very same test lead over here. Then after receiving the data of new lead in Pabbly Connect workflow, we have sent that very same data to WhatsApp Cloud API so that using this automation, we can send the WhatsApp message to that newly generated Facebook lead using WhatsApp Cloud API as well. So not just these applications guys, you can basically connect plenty of other applications using Pabbly Connect. And guys, one more important thing. You will find the clone link of this very same workflow in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can clone this very same workflow into your own Pabbly Connect account and use this workflow for free.
If you need any kind of help or have any queries, you can ask them on forum.pabbly.com, and you can check Pabbly Connect's pricing at this link. So if this video was helpful to you, you can like this video, don't forget to share it with others, and to keep getting such content on automation and integration, you can subscribe to Pabbly. Thank you, have a nice day.